In part 2 of this walkthrough of the UnitizerBasic version 4.7.1, I will show you in detail how to load your project files into the Project Files pane of the interface. As you may recall from walkthrough part 1, if you saw it, this project folder box and project file pane deal with your finding, loading, selecting your project folder and the images it contains. Without this first step, your DII file cannot be built. Of course, I want to point out to you that I know there's a great deal that can go on prior to this point, where you have to prepare raw data sources and convert them into the proper format for inclusion in a summation database using UnitizerBasic or even Unitizer Pro, which has many more features and is highly configurable, and also has a coding section so you can add more data. But we will cover that sometimes complex part of things in dedicated tutorials. For now, I just want to show you how to get your prepared project files loaded into the interface, which is fairly simple. So now you can see the contents of your project folder, and it's a group here of files I prepared and sequentially named image files in TIFF format, as you can see. It's got a 3-character prefix. I added a dash, and then you have this block of sequentially named numbers. Let's see, there's 6 digits. All of these things can be set or selected by you when you're using one of the tools for renaming. What's important is to know that the pane that you're now looking at is the pane that you will use to unitize or select your desired beginning and ending points of each document and create that unique record in summation. So this is a very important window, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. So let's go to part 3 and see how that's done.